Ladybird, Ladybird. Ladybird, Ladybird, it's time to wake up. It's cozy and warm in your yellow buttercup. Oh, she's fast asleep in her little yellow flower. But it's time to wake up. Ladybird, Ladybird, it's time to go to school. Your teacher is a snail and your desk is a toadstool. What fun! Ladybird, Ladybird, it's time to have tea with all your tiny friends. Is there room for me? Oh, they've got yummy cake and yummy sandwiches. Ladybird, Ladybird, oh, it's time to dance and sing. Gather all your tiny friends. Hold hands to form a ring. Ring-a-rosies, a pocket full of posies. A tissue, we all fall down. Oh, boom, and up again. And now, Ladybird, Ladybird, it's time to fly away. The sun is going down, as you can see, and it's the end of a day. Goodbye, Ladybird. The end.